What SpaceX just pulled off at the Starbase Gigafactory has NASA reeling in shock. Welcome to the Elon Musk Signal channel. For years have passed, and Starship has undergone a remarkable transformation from a flying water tower to a fully fledged rocket with incredible power. But Musk's ambitions go even further. He aims to produce Starship at a rate similar to Boeing's aircraft production. The Boeing 737, an iconic symbol of safety, reliability, and efficiency, has impressively churned out an average of 300 planes per year over the past 3 decades. But what if SpaceX were to produce 300 rockets per year? Sounds crazy, doesn't it? However, Elon Musk has set out to turn that crazy idea into reality. And what SpaceX has just accomplished at the Starbase Gigafactory has even left NASA astonished. What is it? Let's explore in this video. In 2012, Elon Musk revealed a bold plan to build a city of 1 million people on Mars by 2050. To achieve this goal, SpaceX needs to produce 100 Starships per year, equivalent to transporting 100 million tons of materials or 100,000 people annually between Earth and Mars. Musk emphasizes that this is just the starting goal. To meet the accelerating production demand, SpaceX needs to complete a Starship in just 30 hours, a task not to be taken lightly. Currently, the Boca Chica team can produce 1 Starship per week. If they double this productivity, they could reach around 100 ships per year. However, this requires building additional Starship production facilities, providing super heavy booster rockets, and even new launch sites. Florida, near the KFC launch complex and the Canaveral port, could be an ideal location for this expansion, helping SpaceX realize the dream of space exploration. Currently, SpaceX is focused on optimizing the production line for Starship prototypes. This is a necessary step, as mass production is much more complex than experimental production. In other words, building a few spacecraft in a lab is one thing, turning it into a commercial product is another. The biggest challenge lies in the Raptor engines. This is the core component, as well as the most complex and costly part of both the Starship and the Super Heavy booster rocket. Currently, each Starship prototype uses 6 Raptor engines, while Super Heavy requires up to 33. This number may increase in the future, especially on Starships traveling between Earth and Mars. To achieve the ambition of producing 100 Starships per year, SpaceX needs a minimum of 600 Raptor engines. Add to that 20 Super Heavy booster rockets, each reusable after an hour with a new Starship, equivalent to the need for another 660 Raptor engines. In total, SpaceX needs to produce at least 1,260 engines per year to achieve the goal of 100 Starships. This is equivalent to producing more than 3 engines per day, a production challenge unprecedented. But Elon Musk has an even bolder ambition, to produce 300 Starships per year, requiring nearly impossible 2,460 Raptor engines. Can SpaceX turn that 1,000-star dream into reality? The upcoming developments will provide us with the answer. At first glance, SpaceX's current production rate seems quite slow, averaging 7 days per spacecraft. However, this is entirely reasonable as Starship is still in the developmental stage. It's similar to Tesla a few years ago, great things take time to perfect. Instead of blindly racing against time, SpaceX has chosen a smarter path, iterative design method. This method is more efficient than traditional approaches. Rather than planning and detailing from the outset, SpaceX adopts a more flexible and innovative approach. They quickly build prototypes, test, analyze results, and use the collected data to improve subsequent designs. This process is repeated many times, helping SpaceX develop rapidly and test the feasibility of design assumptions alongside rocket production. As a result, they can optimize designs, eliminate errors, and continuously improve performance. In addition, SpaceX is continuously expanding its manufacturing facilities and improving operational efficiency. They invest in advanced technology, automate processes, and optimize supply chains, reducing costs and enhancing production capacity. In 2022, SpaceX officially commenced Phase 1 of the Gigafactory spanning over 1 million square feet, promising to achieve feats in the space industry, akin to the previous remarkable success of the Gigafactory for Tesla. Many experts even predict even more impressive outcomes. Elon Musk has recently unveiled images from inside the SpaceX facility, leaving NASA astonished. Similar to Tesla, SpaceX applies breakthrough thinking in constructing the Starship factory in Texas. They fabricate and assemble Starship prototypes right within makeshift tents. After testing and data collection, the process will be upgraded for mass production. With the spirit of "nothing is impossible," SpaceX gradually realizes the dream of space exploration. This is where Star Factory comes into play. This structure boasts a unique design with 3 towering floors, employing white panels combined with black frames and front-facing glass. This architecture extends to the area that once housed the Ring Assembly in Mega Bay 2, which commenced in 2012. As of May 6, 2024, the building has completed a nearly square layout measuring approximately 244 m x 244 m. The glass facade on the top floor facing the street has been completed. Within just 3 days, the lower 2 floors were also almost entirely covered in dark tinted glass. With SpaceX's lightning-fast pace, the facility is expected to soon be fully equipped to mass-produce Starships. Now, let's delve into the interior of this colossal facility. To expand the area, 3 old tents have been removed, corresponding to 3 production lines for Starship components. These tents represented separate production lines for the upper, middle, and lower sections of the Starship. These segments are then fully assembled at Mega Bay. A similar production process is likely to be applied within Star Factory. However, due to high security, details inside the facility have not been disclosed. The main goal of Star Factory is to mass-produce Starships and Super Heavy booster rockets at an unprecedented rate in the aerospace industry. SpaceX President, Gwynne Shotwell, aims to produce 1 rocket per day. To achieve this challenging goal, SpaceX will leverage advanced manufacturing techniques similar to those developed at Tesla's Gigafactories. These techniques have proven effective in the automotive industry, and SpaceX believes they will achieve similar efficiency in the aerospace field. The core principle here is machines building machines. Imagine Star Factory as the engine driving SpaceX's manufacturing operations. Drawing lessons from Tesla, SpaceX applies advanced prefabrication methods to swiftly construct the factory. This process involves manufacturing building components off-site in a controlled environment, then transporting and assembling them according to the designed model. With this secret, SpaceX has rapidly and efficiently built the Starship factory, contributing to the realization of the dream of Mars colonization. SpaceX has accelerated immensely, from 96 orbital launch missions in 2023 to planning 144 rocket launches in 2024. This translates to an average of a rocket leaving Earth every 2.8 days. Elon Musk's initial goal is to establish a foothold on Mars. Uncrewed Starships will be dispatched to identify locations, resources, and deploy infrastructure such as energy, life support, and communication. Subsequently, SpaceX will transition to crewed missions, sending humans to Mars to establish long-term habitats and utilize local resources. Do you believe Elon Musk's plans can become reality? Leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel to stay updated on interesting technology and electric vehicle news. Goodbye and see you in the next video.